Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Taking a quick look here again at Matic, seeing what's going on. Man, this coin is on a tear. I'm so happy that we were able to catch some good trades in this one, and I'm glad that a lot of folks after watching my video from yesterday were able to get some confirmation too as well. That's fantastic. Just quickly to note, we're coming up on this 0.5 Fibonacci level. This is a common area of retracement, so the price action could reject off that initially and potentially perform a nice little higher low essentially to continue this pattern that we're seeing right now. Okay, so again, look, really good stuff here. We'll take a look at the back end data and just quickly congratulate a few members here because we got some awesome traders in our community. Very well done here, Zach, with some nice long there from Dogecoin. Kratos, one of my awesome traders, learning a lot, showing significant improvement since joining. We're looking at about a nice 33% from TLM, and obviously a nice Doge there from MedU as well, one of our newer members. So congrats again to our members. We did take a long trade with Dogecoin recently, so that was a really cool trade there. That's a nice swing trade still open. We got some sweet trades here. Take a look at this. Matic 21%, that's a scalp. Solana 6, Litecoin 6. But take a look at this here. Ethereum, Avalanche 21%, Avalanche 30%. ETH 14, AVAX 13. Like our scalping bot is just destroying the market right now, just printing money right now. So it's awesome stuff there. Congrats to our Premium Plus members for that. I think that's really awesome. So, okay, what we want to do here with the daily is just kind of talk about this here. Generally speaking, we were looking at the moving averages yesterday and talking about the 20-day SMA being below that. It's typically a bearish sign. Okay, and I want you to understand too that a bearish sign doesn't mean that the price goes straight down. It just implies that you can expect it to go down before it comes up. With us breaking this most recent high right here at 0.382, that is extremely important. It really implies that that's going to be our new low, and the likelihood of further upside is higher. Because again, this is exuding a perfect 1, 2, 3 pattern, and that, to me, that's just something I say myself because there's a descending, range bound, and ascending trades. Okay, in other words, there's 3 different ways you can trade. You can trade in a descending trend, ideally more opportunity for shorts. You can trade in a range, buy low, sell high, sell high, buy low, or essentially the price is going up, which we're seeing now. Obviously, you're buying low and holding until the price hits a certain target. But again, generally speaking, we saw this descending channel here. Price action continued lower. We bottomed out twice within a range. Okay, now we've broken free from that range tentatively. Again, it's easier to see when you zoom in, but right here we can see this range here. We just broke free from that range, so this should be the new low, that 0.382 fib at about 7.77 as a round number, 77.7 cents, easy to remember. That is essentially a bouncing point for us if the price pulls back. Okay. All right. All that said, we're still below the 20-day SMA, so we just got to be mindful that that could be an initial rejection spot. But again, the 20-day SMA isn't really a strong resistance or support. It's more so a trend setter. So the trend right now is tentatively bearish, but we've broken that range-bound activity with an ascending trend, tentatively. Okay, I like to emphasize tentative because we have 6 hours left in this candlestick and it hasn't closed yet. So do not get too far ahead of yourself. This is a fantastic start. So take a look at the RSI, up over 50 again. That's a nice bullish sign. Money flow index extremely high. We had our second convergence down here with stochastic. Extremely important things there. Those are all 3 signs I look for to consider long positions. Half the reason why we took some longs with our scalping bot, and we were leaving our current Matic trade open as well. We have a long with a swing trade we took roughly a week ago, and we're in profit there now finally. Okay, so again, all good stuff. We can see the MACD is trying to converge but hasn't yet. So the daily is exuding some pretty significant bullish momentum. Okay, not 100%, but pretty close. We take a look here on the 4-hour time frame. We can see our CC Golden indicator gave us a nice buy signal there at about what is it? I think that was on Saturday or Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Or no, I'm sorry, the 28th. What day was that? That was Thursday. No, it wasn't. That was Tuesday. Time flies, huh? When you're having fun. Loving this market. This is really awesome stuff. But what I'm getting at here is that we're above 3 of the 4 moving averages. We're testing the 100-day SMA right now, which again is somewhat of a trend setter. So if the price action rejects off there initially, we should very well likely see a bounce to retest that and break through. Okay. Most moving averages will reject the first time. We saw that here with the 20, we saw that here with the 50, and now we're seeing that with the 100. Okay, really common stuff. So it's not a bad thing at all. It's really good to be able to retest that. And again, if we can get this little, it's not the cleanest, but it could do somewhat of a cup and handle type of pattern, then we're going to be in pretty good shape. I actually want to see the price pull back to this level here because that'd be an awesome entry to get into about 7.7 or 77, maybe just say 78 cents as a round number. I'm actually going to set an alert there to see if it might be worth taking an entry there later if the price pulls back. Emphasis on the word if. We truly do not know. RSI is looking perfect, just below 70, above 50. Money flow index extremely high, and stochastic swinging up. So those are all green signs here for a long position. And last thing we want to maybe take a look at here on the 4 hour, we're only 16 hours into this 36-hour continuation. We've literally got a full 24 hours before the price action could continue, could pull back essentially. Okay. So again, awesome stuff there. We take a look at the hourly. Let's go ahead and quickly note here on the hourly, the Ichimoku cloud. We can see here, of course, that we have all green lights to leave our long position open. So there's no reason to consider closing your shorts. So if you took that scalp trade essentially with our trading bot, consider leaving it open. We've got 3 or 4 targets left to go. Same thing here as well with our swing trade. We are really close to our profit targets. Hold the trade open. While it could reject out here initially, and we could see a bounce down here at this, once again, 77.7, 78 cent range, it's still looking very strong, and there's no reason to trade into this. We literally have a good 48 hours of continuation before the price action should pull back. Okay, that's more like 24 hours, but you get the idea. Still looking very good. Okay, so all in all, fantastic situation here. I like what I see here so far with Matic. Fantastic trading situations here. Oh, I skipped over this before. I'm so sorry. Let's jump into the liquidation data. This is awesome. Look at this here. 78 cents is that level there that got blasted through. So a lot of shorts are kind of timid now. We have a lot less resistance up here. All the more reason why the price could continue to run, because less people are considering shorts. So again, a lot of shorts got smashed. We can see 74 and 72 cents as our next potential targets for liquidation, just based on the high amount of concentration there. That's well below the price, so that's down below here. So I do not think we're going to see the price action pull back that low. I think the next low, if it were to, is going to be 78 cents. Okay, so that'll be a consideration for a long for me. If it doesn't come down to that low, so what? I'll move on to the next, right? FOMO is not part of my life, and it shouldn't be part of yours either. Don't let it rule your life. It sucks, yes, I know, to miss some opportunities, but crypto is so full of opportunities. It's ridiculous. Okay, so do not worry, do not stress if you miss some. Last but not least, make sure you check out the world's best exchange, Bitunix. Thank you again so much for the opportunity for my members. Use my link below. You have some significant newbie benefits, as well as the fact that there's no KYC, no VPN. That's why we use them initially. But come to find out, they're actually way better than any other exchange I've ever used. Super easy, simple to use, and they have trailing stop losses, multiple profit targets. Really, really cool situations there for that exchange. So be sure to check them out. Use my link below for those benefits. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thanks again.